chocolate Pavlovas, and they are so good, okay? I have collaborated with Tefal Cake Factory. I'm wearing the beautiful apron as you have seen my previous videos as well. Today we're going to be making these Pavlovas, which is always a hard dessert to make, but because they have a pre-setting and all the time figured out for you, you just put them in and they do their job and you come out with these beautiful chocolate Pavlovas. And they're so good, honestly. They look super fancy, very easy to make, and I know you're gonna love this recipe. So guys, let's get started. Into a large bowl, add your room temperature egg whites together with a pinch of salt, and you want to whisk this on a high speed with your whisk attachment electrical whisker. You want to whisk this until you start to see foam coming up, and then you're gonna add slowly sugar. You want to add sugar a little bit at a time and keep whisking until you form nice soft peaks. This process should take around 5 minutes or so. Once everything is done, you should have nice stiff peaks just like that, and if you turn the bowl over, the mixture is not going to fall out. That means your meringue is done. Now we're going to sift our icing sugar with cocoa powder inside our meringue, so you want to just sift it through together. And then you want to mix everything together by using a spatula. So you want to go around the edges, then through the middle, around the edges and through the middle, and repeat the process until your mixture has completely combined. Meringue will be nice and stiff just like that and hold its shape. Now you want to place everything into a piping bag with a plain nozzle so it's easy to pipe our shape, but this is optional. Spray your baking tray with some cooking oil and then pipe round meringues in circles. This recipe makes 4 meringues, so this is what I'm doing. They're going to be quite big and tall actually, but you can use any shapes that you like. I'm just leaving a big middle inside so I can put my cream there later. Now take your Tefal Cake Factory, place your meringues inside, close the lid, and then press the on button over here, and then you want to scroll down all the way till you see the meringue emoji. And here we're gonna add our timing, so we're gonna cook these for 120 minutes, so press on and leave it aside. While my meringues are cooking, I'm going to make the cream, so add your double or heavy cream into the bowl together with icing sugar and mascarpone cream, and whisk everything until it's nice and smooth. Here you can be as creative as you want. You can add different flavors, you can add a bit of alcohol in there if you wanted to, and yeah, it's completely up to you. So then place your cream into a piping bag with a star-shaped nozzle. You don't have to use the star-shaped, you can use any nozzle you have, or if you don't have one, you don't need to use it at all. And we're going to place this in a fridge. Now my meringues are done, they have cooled down, and look how beautiful they are, super round and very crispy at the bottom. They just look so nice and perfect. Now I'm gonna melt my chocolate, so add your dark chocolate together with cream into your mini cake oven, press the on button and select the tempered chocolate setting. Press 5 minutes and just cook that. Once it's done, it's all melted, we're going to mix everything together, and this is optional, but I do like to add chocolate, extra chocolate on top of our chocolate meringues. So you just want to place them onto a serving dish, pipe some of your mascarpone vanilla cream, and then we're going to add a dollop of chocolate sauce on top. You can sort of sprinkle it, or you can put like a big dollop like I did, just like that in the middle. And you can add any chocolate sprinkles that you have. I'm using white and dark chocolate ones, and in the recipe it says to cover them in salted caramel, but I didn't have any at the moment, so I used my strawberry sauce, and there they are guys, so delicious, very chocolatey, looks so pretty and colorful. Look at that. Don't you want to eat this? Well, I will in a second. I'm just going to show you how it looks in the middle. So they're very sturdy, very hard, and the cream has kind of gone through the middle. And because they're super fresh, they kind of fall apart. But if they sit in a room temperature, they will harden. Okay, finally we're gonna test these beautiful pavlovas. Look at me in my matching outfit with my matching plate. I love it, guys. Honestly, it makes me feel so happy. So pavlova is one of my favorite desserts ever. Now it's time for me to try it and for you to salivate over there on your screen. Okay, don't do that. Right, I'm gonna pick the biggest one, okay? So it's probably gonna go everywhere. Please don't judge. It's gonna fall over because they're quite a messy dessert to eat, so you probably eat it with a fork and a spoon like civil people. But I'm just gonna kind of dig into it and try it all and see what happens. Let's take risks in life, okay? Just look at that. Oh, look how amazing this is. Okay, guys, I'm kind of scared, but I'm ready to do this. Okay, let's do this. How crunchy is this? Sorry. Wow, it's like so perfect, so chocolatey, so crunchy. Cream makes it amazing. I also feel these are much sturdier, so if you were to make them for a party, you can probably keep these in the fridge for a couple of hours, because these been done about 2 hours ago and left at room temperature, so they haven't become soggy or anything, so which makes it really easy and perfect. So delicious, guys. And I just like, does anyone else eat like me? I like to kind of dip it into the cream, into the chocolate like that. Wow, these are heaven. These are so good, guys. I hope I've made you hungry. That is the whole point of this channel, making you hungry so you want to go become better chef or cook. And you can with a little Cake Factory oven. Okay, guys, I'm gonna enjoy this in my peace and quiet. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, and now I'm gonna challenge Eats Amazing to make beautiful, delicious scones. I challenge now. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.